Okay, so when you're making a revision timetable, the first thing you need to do is write down a list of all the subjects that you have. And it's up to you whether you want to count English as two separate subjects, so language and literature, or as one, and the three sciences as three separate sciences, or just one subject. Then on the same piece of paper, write down the 7 days of the week. And it's up to you again whether you want to count one day as a break, and then in which case you'd have 6 days to work with instead of 7. Now, look at the days that you have, whether that's 6 or 7, and identify which ones you have more time on and which ones you have less time in. For example, with me, and I'm assuming with most people, I had more time on Saturday and Sunday because that was the weekend. For some people that might vary. Then basically you can just go ahead and rank them based on how much time you have on each of the days. And then with your subjects, go and rank your subjects in terms of difficulty. So you rank them basically based on how much time and attention each subject needs. Now that you've ranked your subjects and your days in terms of time and difficulty, you can now go ahead and allocate the subjects to each day of the week based on the difficulty and the time the day has. For example, you may choose to simply go and allocate the hardest subject to the day that has the most time, which is what I did for a lot of my subjects. Again, some people may have like more subjects than they have days, in which case you might have to play around a bit and do some experimenting to find out what works best. For example, you may choose to allocate 2 of your easiest subjects to one of the days that has a bit more time. So you can give them enough time, but also so that they're not taking more than one day because they're easier. And that way you can focus your other days on one subject in particular that you think needs more time. At the end of the day, it's really down to personal preference and which of your subjects you think deserves more of your time, and therefore you're allocating it to those days of the week accordingly. Once you've made your timetable, just pretty it up, and then you can put it either as your screensaver on your phone, or you can make a widget for it and then put that on your home screen. Or if you'd rather do it on paper, you can handwrite it and then, I don't know, decorate it if you wanted to, and then stick it on your bedroom wall. Just have it somewhere where you can always see it, so it will remind you to study, and therefore when you're reminded, it'll allow you to be consistent with your studying, and it'll help you build a habit of studying. And yeah, that is my advice on how to make a revision timetable for yourself if you haven't already. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, or you can email me. My email is in my channel bio. And yeah, I don't think I have anything left to say, so good luck with your exams, and yeah, bye guys.